So over here you can see that I have a video footage, and this video footage has visuals as well as audio. So I can bring it on to my timeline, and what happens is that you can see the audio waveform over here as well. But if you want the audio waveform and visual waveform to be detached as well and work with them individually, you can right click on it, go to more right here and click on detach audio, and this is what you have as you can see. So this is the audio as you can see right here, and this is the video, and now you can work around with the audio separately and the video separately. So you can work around with the sync and so forth as you can see right here. So the audio itself is independent now. You can go around, bring it wherever you want, and the video clip itself is independent. So if I were to mute out the audio, then you just see the visuals right here, and you can hide the visuals and work around with the audio as well. So that is how you can detach out audio and then work around with video clips inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.